back to my channel. It is your girl ArleesiaRheenay here. For those of you that are new, here you'll find videos all about plus size fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. So if that's content that you like to watch, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and join the fam. Oh, and also make sure you're following me on my social media platforms because I post on there. You can see my day-to-day living. Honey, we are doing something different today, okay? We are unfortunately taking off this beautiful makeup look. And if you're like, oh girl, that's cute, how did you get that? Don't worry, I'll have it somewhere here in the video for you to go watch after you watch this video, okay? Yes, I have it somewhere here for you to watch it, but you know, we all come to that point and journey in our day-to-day when we have makeup on where we need to take it off. And on the market right now, they have so many things to take makeup off with, right? Well, I got two new guys. This is the one size go off, okay? Go off. Makeup dissolving mist. That's this one here. And then this one here is the Fenty Beauty Melt Off, and not OFF, honey. AWF. Yeah. Melt Off Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser. So we are going to try these two here to get our makeup off. And if that is something that you would like to watch, make sure you go ahead and stay tuned. All right, y'all, I had to change real quick because I had that expensive Behind Skims robe on and I was not about to get makeup on it, okay? So I had to change into a t-shirt that I did not care about getting messed up. So how I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna split my face. This right side is gonna be for the Fenty Beauty and the left side is gonna be for the one size. Now, honestly, I've seen a video on this guy here, but I did not see a video on this one. And this one is actually pretty interesting to me, only because it like sprays on your face. So you're not really like rubbing it in like this one here. Like this, you rub it in, I feel like you know it's gonna break down, but I want to see how good it breaks down and how fast. But this one here, you spray it. So, ooh, that was my water bottle, y'all, sorry. So this is going to be interesting. An epic continuous mist that dissolves makeup on contact. Infused with calming jojoba and brightening rose hip oil. Sorry, y'all. Rose hip oils. Makeup is removed without leaving skin feeling tight or dry. Our concentrated water-free formula creates a no drip super slick surface for the ultimate makeup removal. No drip? Maybe I should have tried this with my robe. No, because if I mess my robe up, I'm gonna be upset. No, let me stop. I would be real upset if I messed that robe up, so no, this is fine. Oh, here's the directions. It says spray 8 to 10 inches away from face until it is evenly coated. Massage into skin and gently wipe off. Okay, so this one you do have to massage. Interesting. So we're gonna go ahead. Oh wait, let me read the Fenty one. So this one here is a unique jelly oil formula, melts away long wear and waterproof makeup while deeply cleansing skin, leaves skin nourished and comfortable. Directions: use day and night to remove long wear and waterproof makeup, dirt, and impurities. Apply to dry or damp skin, massage into skin, rinse, and then pat dry. Follow with toner for external use only, use as directed. So, all right. This is cool. So this one here, I'm gonna get ready to use this. It doesn't say to shake, but I'm just so used to shaking stuff. I'm gonna shake. Y'all, I'm a little nervous. I can't lie. What is 8 to 10 inches? I don't know what. I don't even know what 8 to 10 inches is, child. Oh God. All right, we got this. Okay. And it's dripping. It is 1000% dripping. Okay. Let me go massage it in. Y'all didn't even bring a mirror, so I don't even know what I look like. Y'all, I look crazy. Oh my god, it is dripping. Okay. So maybe I sprayed too much because it says drip free, but it's definitely dripping. It does have like a little bit of a perfumey smell, but it's not overbearing. It's like nice and light. It feels really good. Like it feels really, really nice. You can definitely tell that there's oil in here. For sure. Okay, that's enough of that. I'm gonna go wipe it off. And, well, wait, hold on. I have my rag here. Let me see. Wow. Wow. Let me check my lashes. Hold on. Because that's the real truth. Yeah, so it definitely did drip, but again, it could have been that I sprayed too much. It didn't say how much to spray. Of course it wouldn't, because why would it? But y'all, call me crazy, but sometimes like when I'm going to bed and stuff, I'll be like, dang, I forgot to wipe off my eyebrows, but I forgot I got my eyebrows done so they don't go anywhere. They don't go anywhere. But wow, look at that difference. Wow, and the lashes, I don't really feel like there's anything on there. Yeah, no. Wow, so they even got the mascara off. Wow. Wow, that right there, that might be a game changer right there. So we're gonna go in with the Fenty. And this one here has this little pump action, which I think is kind of cool. So I'm just gonna put it here. Oh, that's cool. Okay, stop. Stop. I don't want to use too much because I'm only doing this other half of my face. So we're just gonna take it. Oh, this feels so good. And crazy confession, I have never, ever used any of Rihanna's Fenty's like skincare items. This is my first, except for her body butter, obviously, because I feel like everyone has tried that. But I've never ever used any of her like face wash or anything like that. So this is my first time actually using something from like, or something for your face that's not makeup of hers, and it feels really good. It definitely feels like a very moisturizing cleansing balm. Wow, this feels amazing. All right, let me go ahead and wipe this off. And I try to always start with my lashes, because that right there tells me, wow. Wow, that tells me if a product is good, because I use a very thick formula mascara, and if it gets that off and breaks it down, then you know it's a good product. Wow. 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 Like, I'm stunned. I am definitely stunned. I am really shocked. I'm very shocked. All right, let me go ahead and finish up my skincare routine and I'll come back and tell you my thoughts. We are back. As you see, the face is nice and fresh and glowing. Honey, let me tell you something. When it comes to me and when I do my skincare, if I'm not looking like a glazed donut, a honey bun, or something of that sort, then I didn't do something right, okay? But I'm gonna go ahead and give my thoughts. As I washed my face, I definitely still had more mascara on the Fenty Beauty side, but that could just be because I need to like work it in more on the lashes. But that one side, there was like literally nothing left on my face. So if I had to rate them, this one is definitely getting a 10 out of 10. It's convenient. It's easy, and it broke down all of the makeup. All of the makeup. The Fenty, I would definitely give it, I give it a 9 out of 10 because it wasn't like it was terrible. It was good. Like I said, maybe I just needed a little bit more time to go ahead and let it break down for the mascara or rub it in a little bit more on my lashes for the mascara. But other than that, it was good. Like, it felt good. It did the skin good. And both of these products, actually, my face did not feel dry or stripped when I was washing it. So that was a plus, or before I washed it, I should say. So that was a plus. But yeah, honestly, if I had to choose, it would go to the one size. It's just so easy to use. And I mean, hey, who doesn't want something that you could just spray on your face and keep it moving, right? I will definitely say price-wise, this guy here was cheaper, but I did get the travel size only because I'm going away soon. And I was like, if I do end up liking this, I'm definitely going to take this because I'm going to be busy and I don't want to sit there like having to do all this extra work to take makeup off. So that's why I got this travel size. I think this was like $18. If I'm not right, I'll make sure I put the correct price down below. And then this one here, I think this was, I don't know why I want to say 38. I bought like so much stuff that day, so I can't really remember. But again, I have the correct price if it's not $38 down below. And don't forget, everything that I used here will be linked down below, so there's nothing to worry about. You'll be able to grab one for yourself. Don't forget to go ahead and leave me a comment down below and tell me which item you are going to purchase. If you will purchase one, which one do you think you will like? Which one do you see yourself using? Because this one here, it's so easy. But you guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you guys go ahead, hit that subscribe button, share this video, let people in the world see the difference between the Fenty and the one size, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.